Our eyes allows us to see the world around us. But have you ever wondered how they work? Our eyes' main job is to detect patterns of light. Then, they work with our brain to turn those patterns into images. Let's take a closer look. Light rays bounce off an object we are looking at. Let's say the object is a candle. The light reflects off the candle to our eyes. Then, the light enters through the outer part of our eye called the cornea. The cornea is clear like a window. It helps our eyes focus the light to make things look sharp and clear. Next, the light rays pass through an opening called the pupil. The pupil is dark, round circle in the colored part of our eye. The colored part is called the iris. It controls how wide the pupil is and how much light can pass through in our eye. In dim light, the iris widens the pupil to let in more light. All of this happens automatically. Behind the iris is the lens of the eye. It helps focus the light coming into our eye so we can see things clearly. The lens flattens so we can see things that are far away and bends so we can see things up close. When the lens, cornea, and pupil are all working together properly, they will focus light onto the back of the eye. It's important because lining the back of the eye is the retina. There are about 130 million tiny cells in the retina that are sensitive to light, the rod cells and the cone cells. Cone cells detect fine detail and color. They can be divided into red, green, and blue, while rod cells can't pick up real color. Instead, they register a grayscale of black and white. When these cells detect light, they turn it into electrical signals. Those signals eventually make their way to the optic nerve and taken to the brain to be interpreted. The retina helps create a rough image, but it sees the world upside down. It's our brain that turns what we see right side up. That's all from me. Thank you.